This $3 penny stock is the best penny stock to go ahead and buy right now, and it has massive short squeeze potential. This is going to be on ticker RUBI, ticker RUBI. That's right, my friends, ticker RUBI. Now, RUBI is setting up for a massive short squeeze. The company just had a big reverse split. This is something which we did anticipate, and after the reverse split, it sold off even more. And you know what, guys? This is something which I told you guys was probably going to happen. In fact, if you take a listen to what I said, it's setting up perfectly for what we anticipated. Listen to what we said. This video came out on November 29, 2025, so about 3-4 days ago. Let's give it a listen. I will tell you guys this. Oftentimes what we do see is after a reverse split, a stock still sells off. So be prepared, my friends, for this ticker to get down to potentially the $4 levels, to get down to potentially the $3 levels. However, be also prepared for a massive move to the upside. Bang, right? There we go. Now, what have we gotten so far? Well, what we've gotten so far is a reverse split, okay? So we have the compression of the shares. Then we're going ahead and we got the massive sell-off after the reverse split, and the stock right now is teeter-totting between the $2.75 to $3 range, as we anticipated, right? The $3 range, a drop after the $3 range. Now, what's going to happen next is that, listen, this is a ticker which is ran before, it will run again. And right now, what we're seeing a lot of times is we're seeing a lot of interest. And this is what I always tell guys, I say, it's important for you. The number one skill of a profitable trader is pattern recognition, right? Is pattern recognition. That's it. You need to be able to understand and analyze, hey, what's hot right now in the markets? Is it Chinese stocks? Is it stocks that are announcing, oh, we're going after the shorts? Is it companies that are coming out and saying, hey, we're making a crypto treasury? Is it companies that have just recently had a reverse split? What is hot? And right now, what is the hottest is companies that have had a reverse split. They've had that massive, compression of shares. Their float is super duper small and they're ready to pump for no reason. And they have historically shown. Now, right now, the free float of the ticker is sitting at only 2 million shares. Its market cap is sitting at 5 million. So I'm telling you guys right now, even if we do see further selling off down to the $2 levels, this is a ticker which once again will squeeze all the way to $4 to $5 range, which is a 50 to 100% run depending on where it ends up bottoming out. So RUBI for me, guys, has a lot of potential. And one of the things I like a lot about RUBI as well is going to be its low overhead supply, relatively low overhead supply, right? The company also right now is in no shape or need in need of raising funds. The company has $3.31 million in the bank, or they're bringing their cash flow positive $3.31 million. So for me, when it comes to RUBI, man, I am very bullish on them. Even though their overhead supply, it is relatively a little bit bigger. So when we go over here, right, we do see that it's sitting at approximately, it's not the worst, right? They got about 500K shares, give or take, when it comes to the equity line, but they're probably not going to use this equity line unless the stock is running. And I'm telling you, man, historically speaking, this is a ticker which has ran before, meaning it will run again, right? Now, you may say, oh, Sam, well, you can't guarantee that. No shit, I can't guarantee that. I can't guarantee anything. I'm not from the future. But I'm telling you guys this, I gave you guys PLRZ before PLRZ ran today. I've given you like 1,000 other tickers. RUBI is going to be the next one on your watch list. Now, we're buying RUBI. There's a tons of other tickers which we're buying. We're kind of setting up these traps, we call them, right? We're setting up these traps, whether it's limit entries or, massive limit sales, which we've placed on these tickers, ready for them to pump to the upside for us to go ahead and sell them, right? We have a lot of different positions in our community right now. If you guys are interested, if you're tired of losing, if you're tired of getting your ass whooped, check out our private community, guys. Right now, we're having the biggest sale we've ever had. The next 10 members that join, they get access to it for a 50% discount. Let me show you something. Let me just show you what we give you. We give you access to day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts. We give you mentor Q&A. Right now, we literally have a mentor taking questions right now from the members. We have a dividend stocks. We have crypto alerts. You name it, we got it. We have over 400 plus members coming back month after month. Why? Because they're making money. Literally, Jim, listen to what Jim said. 5 days into the 14 days free trial, and the Discord cost it was already paid for. I've only been trading the swing alerts, or else it would be a lot more if I had the time to also day trade. Thanks, Sam, and the amazing team you put together. This is literally last week, November 25th. My man says, been in a few servers in my life, the rest don't even fucking compare. Not just the trade quality, but the mentors actually care about you making money. Stop slacking and try the free trial. Least I could say after all the bread I made, this place has made me. Beautiful. Shout out to him. SETI, IVP, CMCT, another killer. Listen to what he says.
All right, had to take a little video because of how fucking good these trades have been. But shout out Top Trader Academy. Shout out Top.
I appreciate my man. He goes on and he appreciates us more. I appreciate you. Thank you so much, bro. But we've been crushing. Literally yesterday, QTTB, we made a killing on it. This is again QTTB from our community mentors. Today, Ong says that this is literally today, says, thank you, Sammy and the crew. Great trades all around. Account getting ready for me to start dabbling into options. These are just from day trade alerts and swing alerts. Bang. So we give you, it's very organized. Day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts. Whatever you like, we got it for you. Even in dividend stocks, right? Dividend stocks and crypto alerts, we got it now. Samantha Travel says, first day here, feels stupid for not having joined sooner. Past day, 52% already. Account is up 52%. Again, man, there's a reason we got so many lovely people coming back month after month. It's because they're enjoying and they're making money. I joined after getting burned in Moon Market Discord from a pump it down about 5 months ago. Easily. Beautiful, beautiful. Crushing it, man. Crushing it, crushing it. Lily says, this community changed my life. The few thousand I made here this month did not. But getting out of my losing streak, I almost felt like a damn gambling habit did. Like Sam says, trade the best, leave the rest. And that's exactly what this community has been. Only quality trades thanks to these are other mentors. 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Next 10 members, 50% discount. Give it a shot. See if you make money. If you make money, come back. If you don't make money, pack your bags and leave and never, ever look back again. With that said, I appreciate you guys. Keep RUBI on your watch list. Ticker RUBI. RUBI. Get that in your head. RUBI is going to go crazy. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam.